It's the beautiful afternoon, Monday afternoon in Bali, guys, in Sanur. Actually, I'm in the area of the sand beach having a coffee with Winnie. She's just after work. Meanwhile, over there is the Grand Inn Hotel, which will be the, it's actually under the construction for the hospital in Sanur. And well, let me know in the comment section if you ever been here in Sanur, in Bali, or if you consider to come here, because of many of you like this place and also many of you never been here. Because obviously Ubud and Canggu and Seminyak is popular spots, also the Kuta, and Sanur is just so, maybe more likely for the expats or people who staying here for a longer while, including myself. Little bit of the vibe situation on the beach, the icon Bali, there is the construction also of the private villas and the more, however currently postponed. That's the view of the Mount Agung, active volcano in Bali. Granina, what I said already, they put something green over there, they already construction is in progress, and this is the sandbar. Currently one of our favorite places in Sanur, due to they have a very big parking area, which is hard to park the car currently. Also pretty nice place to enjoy and chill, and well, actually even some people are around. By the way, there is the construction of the promenade part 2, so the second half is getting into the development. Also, I don't know where they renting this electric scooters. Very interesting, I would like to rent. And this is the Sol on the beach, guys. Many of you like this place. I decided a little bit to show you. It's Monday afternoon, so but yeah, still it's not so bad actually, right? So basically they have a sitting in on the beach, but also have a sitting indoors for everyone who are interested to come here. Here we go. Love Bali, I never coming home. Well, how if Bali is your home? And of course there's definitely much more tourists nowadays in Bali, even in Sanur, so it's a big improvement. And this is the area of the Sindhu Hotel. Sindhu Hotel, they changed pretty a lot, but still is local vibe with the local warungs and tables and merchandise and stuff like this one. With the view of the Mount Agung. Just a little bit of the local vibe in Sanur. They grilling something, actually they grilling the corn, people jogging. There's the charter sanctuary or something like that. Definitely some, oh, I nearly fall down. Some tourists around, so yeah, this is Sanur vibe. And this is Monday, and on weekends like Saturday or Sunday, especially Sunday, will be much busier obviously, right? Regarding the prices in Bali, many people asking you, are prices going up and how is it? Traffic situation definitely is back and it's actually pretty crowded. The prices in the restaurants, they back to the previous stage. They're not really more expensive, but they back to the pre, you know, like in 2019 or accommodation. Not sure about the hotels, however, private apartments and villas and houses definitely went actually higher. Actually, currently we are on the stage of looking for a new place, because the owner where we used to stay during the last 2 years, they actually kicked us out. I mean, not literally kicked us out, but they sold room to somebody while we are still staying and paying monthly, because somebody offered more. So they didn't even actually let me know if you would like to extend or pay more. Just simply sold to somebody who pay more, and you have to move on. And if you want to come back next 2 weeks, you have to pay 1 year up front. Also in Bali, unfortunately, everybody asking for everything to pay up front for a year. So yeah, I will look for the new place and I will let you know. However, yeah. That's what it is. About the restaurants and the prices of the drinks, food, you don't have to worry about that too much. If you've been here in 2019 or the beginning of 2020, the prices are pretty the same how it used to be. Hotels pretty the same. The only problem is if you would like to live here, it's getting a little bit more difficult. However, after that it's pretty alright. Meanwhile, a little bit of the vibe in Sanur. After sunset time, there will be live band. There's some people walking around, there are some people coming in for the dinner or having some drinks. Beautiful vibe, isn't it? And the view of the Mount Agong, obviously. Anyways, I hope so you don't mind, and I'm sharing a little bit of my life, and in general I like to talk to you guys over just that, showing you how is the street or beach or something like that. This is also personal vlog, and actually would like to talk more to you guys if you're interested. So I hope so you don't mind, and let me know in the comment section what do you think. Meanwhile, as always, I will see you tomorrow. See ya, bye bye.